Hello, good day everyone. I remain Jonah J. Ayube, an SEO affiliate and digital marketer. I'm here to share with you, as usual, helpful products that will make you to stand out as an individual affiliate marketer, SEO, digital marketer, and a freelancer. I'm sharing with you these products. Buy and sell using Bitcoin. Looking for how to make Bitcoin selling digital products? Well, Bitcoin has a lot of benefits over other cryptocurrencies. For example, you can send Bitcoins to e-commerce websites as payment these days and make a lot of Bitcoins on digital downloads. It's also much faster too. You can send Bitcoins to someone and have them receiving the coins in a second. Wondering where to start? In this tutorial you are going to learn the easiest way to make Bitcoins and cryptocurrency in your business to earn seven-figure income with any digital products. If you enjoy this article, you are going to enjoy the full feature video tutorial that help you make Bitcoin with digital downloads. Get the video. Buy and sell using Bitcoin. Only just $12. Also, when you come to my menu of this site, you will see other helpful products on affiliate bot 2.07, trending in 2021, work from home, online jobs, 72 IG, digital marketing for Nigerians. It's solely for Nigerians. You can also take advantage of it because it has a lot. You have Bitcoin profit secret video, have cryptocurrency secret videos. Then I also have forex secret and get paid using Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter. I would also like you to check on the website https://onlinecourses-to-work-from-home.com and kindly subscribe to my YouTube channel, comment, share, click on notification button to have new updates. Thanks for watching.